Hi dear friends, today we will see how to use this ultrasonic humidifier. So this humidifier comes with the power cord, remote control, user manual and measuring cup. Let's see how to use it. First, remove the lid. Then, if you take a look to the base, you will see anti-skid pad and a slot to connect the charger. Once you do that, you just put some water in the container. Also add 2 or 4 drops of essential oil. It depends on your preference. You can buy it in our shop. And put the lid back and connect the device. You will see a flickering green light. It means that our device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Press this button. You can set some time for 1 hour or 3 or 6 hours. This humidifier has 7 different changing colors. You can adjust the brightness and set on the certain color. All up to you. So let's see how it works inside. Let's open our lid. We can see a big mist. Or you just take the remote control to use the humidifier. You can also turn on, turn off, then adjust brightness, color and amount of the steam. So you can use your cell phone to adjust the illumination. You can pick up the color, adjust the brightness. Easy to control. If you have any problems, please contact our service. We will help you to solve all your problems. Thank you.